Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and install Google Analytics on your website. So let's get to it. First thing you need to do, obviously, is sign up for an account at Google Analytics. And if you have a Gmail address, then you can just sign in using that. Or if you don't, you can just create an account. So once you sign in or you create an account, then it brings you to this screen. And it says start using Google Analytics over here, sign up, and now we're in. So first thing you want to do is put in your website name. Okay, then you want to put in your URL. Select your industry, business. After you set your time zone, then you type in your account name right here. You call it whatever you want to identify it. And then you have data sharing settings down here. So you can select these or deselect them, whatever you want to share, what kind of information you want to share. And then once you're done with that, all you do is click Get Tracking ID. Read over these interesting terms of service, accept, and success, and it brings you right to your tracking code. So all you have to do is just what it says, copy and paste it into the code of every page you want to track. So we'll copy it, then log into your website. There's three main ways to install Google Analytics on your website. So the first and usually the easiest way is if it's built into your theme. For example, my theme settings are down here, and if I scroll down, there's a spot right here for Google Analytics code. So all I have to do is paste it in, click Save All Changes, and it adds it to every single page of my website. So check your theme settings and see if you have an option to add your Google Analytics code. The second way to add it is if you install a plugin that allows you to add it. So you can go to Plugins and you can go to Add New. And you can type in Google Analytics or Google Analytics code, search plugins, and you have a bunch of options down here. I haven't used any of these, so I'm not sure which ones are the best or not, but check them out, see which one you think would work easiest for you. You can click on details to see if they're up to date, how many times it's been downloaded, who the author is, and the description, screenshots, installation, frequently asked questions, etc., etc. So once you install it, then you just have to go to that plugin settings, paste in your code, and then Google Analytics code will be on your site. Now the third way to install Google Analytics is a little more complicated and a little dangerous actually if you don't know what you're doing. So we're going to go to Appearance and Editor. And this is your actual PHP files. This is how you can access some of your files right through WordPress, and you can edit them and update the files from here, which means if you mess it up, these are PHP files, and if you mess it up, it can break your entire website. So if you don't know anything about code and you don't feel comfortable doing this method, then I would suggest try one of the ways to install Google Analytics. So if you're going to do it this way, then we want to install the code in the header. So come over to the right side and look at the templates and click on Header. And this is your header PHP file. This is all code, so you definitely don't want to mess it up. You don't want to make a mistake and update it because like I said, it can break your entire site. So one thing you should probably do is select all of the text, all of the code here, copy it, and paste it into a text editor like TextEdit if you're using a Mac, or Notepad if you're using Windows. And the reason you want to do this is if you mess it up, then at least you have the original copy right here that you can paste back in there and fix it. So the thing you want to look for here is this end header. This means the end of the header tag, that /head. So you want to insert the code right before that. Then you want to go back and copy your code And once you have your code, all you have to do is paste it right here in the header, hit update file, and now the code is installed on every page of your website. So if you want to check it out, just go visit your website, choose a page, we'll click on services, then view the source code and look for the end of the header. And here it is right here, and here's the code. So that's how you install Google Analytics, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.